BW-20 rifle. A newly designed 7.62 by 51mm battle rifle with multiple length options of 12 inches and 16 inches. The BW-20 rifle has reduced length, weight, recoil, and improved service life. Moreover, it is equipped with a polymer magazine with a capacity of 20 rounds. The BW-20 includes an inline buttstock and is able to take modern accessories. With the ability to fire 550 to 600 rounds per minute, the weapon can hit its target in the range of 400 meters with iron sight and 600 meters with optical sight. Available in semi-automatic and full automatic modes of operation, the BW-20 rifle is all set to be deployed in the battlefield.